Good evening, everybody. And I want to talk about the trade I took on Friday, right? Which is on 29th of November, right? I would say I just like wait a minute. And I have successfully lost just a quick note. I have successfully withdrawn my FTMO profit. I would say after the profit split, I can withdraw around $220, which is amazing money, right? But you can see I also take some dumbass trade here. What I want to say is I can spot some good trade, right? I can took those amazing setup. I can spot them, right? And but also sometimes I also took some dumbass trade like what I took on Friday, right? So what I want to say is if I can lower the frequency of taking these kind of dumbass trade, then increase the frequency or increase the loss side of taking those good trade, good setup, then I think I will be profitable consistently. To be honest, I believe in myself, right? But I really took some dumbass trade here, but I got to stand like on my mistake and I have to face it. I have to, understand and learn and yeah, really do what a man would do, right? First dumbass trade, you can see I took a sell here. My whole idea, okay, we may be in the whole big ass trading range, right? You can see I took a sell initially here, took a buy there, and then got stopped out. Took a good trade buy here, took another dumbass sell here, took another dumbass sell here. Pretty rough, right? Pretty terrible. But you can see this is a good trade that I spot, but terrible trade, terrible trade, terrible trade, terrible trade. You know, let's talk about why I think those trade is terrible, right? When I come to chart, I'll say, okay, probably we're in the training range. We're in the training range. You can see that. But I neglect the fact that, okay, this is training range. This is a breakout. This is a bull channel. This is a breakout as well. So you can see the market cycle changes. It's not that easy. Just one big trading range. So I sell at the top. But at the time, you can see that trading range breakout, bot channel, break above bot channel. And I took a sell for no reason, no any sell signal buy as well. But the good thing is I manage my risk, right? After I see a good follow through buy, I manage my risk, right? So this is the first dumbass trade that I took because the reason, okay, probably we will be a second leg trap, but you can see a pretty solid bull channel, break above bull channel. Obviously, we are always in normal market condition, but I try to sell at the top of the trading range, which does not make any sense, right? I lose that because I trading this whole price action as trading range. It can be, but I would say better will be look for some kind of like in this scenario. I would say I would really love to see maybe a second entry short if really trading is at a trading range. Want to see a Michael double top to increase my win rate instead of like taking a short there for no reason, especially we are in a bro channel break about that, right? That's the first time I trade, and then I told alone here. I would say this trade will be a bit better, right? Because we break above trading range and um we break above trading range, probably will have a measure move up. I would say it will make I would say this trade makes sense. If I put my stop all the way down here, it would not get stopped out. And the time taking and measure move of the trading range, I would say, kind of makes sense to me, this trade, to be honest. Is a breakout trade. You can see that almost, not really, do not hit the take profit. But I think the buy here makes sense to me, right? Always in non, you can buy for any reason. I think that makes sense to me personally. And then despite okay, I say I understand, but this shot definitely do not understand, right? This buy also makes sense, make a lot of sense to me. This is like what I want to say is the good trade that I told I can spot, right? Always in on first breakout of the bull channel probably gonna be minor, 50% pullback, two inside bar, rejecting to the low, 50% pullback, took a buy there, put my stop here, very nice bull bar, follow through, amazing buy, right? And probably I should hold longer, right? You can see amazing. But I'm always thinking, oh, maybe we're in the training range, but no, we're in the bot bull channel, right? This is just a previous high, right? It doesn't mean that price will be a training range after we hit here. We can easily break above that, right? You understand what I mean, right? It doesn't mean that we will convert in the training range, right? So, but I would think it's still a good practice to take profit there, you know, if already up that much profit, right? I took a long there, and then I took a dumbass short. This is really dumbass, right? Okay, probably we're in the training range, so I short this, but this is the terrible sell signal bar, right? It's a doji bar, training range bar. Sell below there do not make any sense, especially we're in a contest is we're just broke above the training range, right? Not make any sense at all, to be honest. Took us out there with bad signal bar, obviously it's a bad trade. You can see if I can lower this kind of like terrible trade, I definitely will have a very good win rate and a very profitable and lucrative trading result, right? And I took another my short there as well. I don't know why, right? Maybe it's a wedge top, but the contest is very terrible for short. You can see, damn, bro, what the fuck? I mean, like, okay, I took maybe a little bit better, but it's still terrible, right? We're in the tight bull channel, you can see. But the good thing is I managed my risk pretty well and pretty quick. So it's still fine, but you can see always better to take buy position, right? Goodbye. Maybe always in long took a buy there as well. So I can spot some good trade, but some terrible trade also will lower my profitability, right? This is what I want to talk about. So call it a day.